Okay, here we're continuing our discussion of AUC Section 315 for our risk assessment and understanding the entity and its environment. And so in the past couple of videos, we did 6A and 6B, but here we're going to discuss 6C, and that is that risk assessment procedures should include the following: observation and inspection. So observation would be like if we went and we watched some of the employees or whoever at our client to perform a particular process. Meanwhile, inspection would be if we got some documents or records from the client and we inspect or we looked at them in detail. And so we've got some explanatory material here in section A18, so we can see exactly what do we need to do in our observation and inspections to assess the risk of material misstatement. So let's go down to those sections. Okay, so now we're down to the explanatory material section related to observation and inspection. And we've got a lot of examples of things we might observe or inspect as part of our risk assessment procedures, but it says that observation and inspection may support inquiries of management and others, and also may provide information about the entity and its environment. And so from the A and B in this AUC Section 6, we saw that we inquired of management, and we also did some analytical procedures, but actually observing and inspecting some of the processes or documents or things like that might give us a little more information on what management said in the inquiries, or explain what exactly is going on in the analytics that we're looking at. So some of the examples of such procedures of observation or inspection that we could do include we could observe or inspect the entity's operations. So we could go out to their facilities and watch them perform their operation. For example, if they're a manufacturer, we could go out to their factory or whatever and watch them manufacture the product that they're making. We can also inspect documents. For instance, we could look at business plans or strategies, records, internal control manual. We can also look at reports that are prepared by management. So those might be quarterly management reports, interim financial statements, board minutes, or reports from the internal audit. And we can also go to any premises and plant facilities. So all these things might help us to not only corroborate evidence from what we've learned from management in our inquiries and from analytical procedures, but also to learn a little bit more about the company and better be able to perform our work and also know when there are risk of material misstatement when we come across them.